Now I am teaching you in this video the problem 2 of 7.3. That is problem 2 is find the values of k for which the points are collinear. When they are collinear, then the area will be 0. The area of the triangle will be 0. So that's because all the 3 points of a triangle are on the same straight line. Then the value area of the, you can use the area formula for collinear concept. Okay. So the first bit is, that is first bit you have to find out 7 minus 2, 5, 1 and 3k. These points are collinear. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. This is first bit, problem 2, first bit. So what is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is x1 into y2 minus y3 modular half into plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle. Now this is equal to 0 when the points are collinear. So this can be written as half into, what is x1? x1 is 7 into y2 minus y3, 1 minus k plus x2 is how much? 5. 5 into y3 minus y1, k minus y1 is minus 2. Minus of minus 2, it is plus 2. Because it is minus 2, y2, x2 into y3 minus y1. So, k minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. Plus x3 into, x3 is 3, into y1 minus y2. y1 minus 2, y1 minus y2 minus 1. So that is equal to, this is equal to 0 because they are collinear. So half into 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. So that is half into minus 7k plus 5k. That is, this is 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. That is 8. 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. So 2k is equal to 2k, 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. 2k is equal to 8. K is equal to 4. So the value of k is equal to 4. See, can you understand? Let us, 3 points he has given. They are collinear, he said. Collinear means area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle formula you have to take, that you have to equate with 0. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, x3 into y1 minus y2. Now I substituted the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and we got half into 8 minus 2k is 0. Because you have to equate with 0 since the points are collinear. Therefore, you got half 2 will go that side and it will be 0. 8 minus 2k is 0, 2k is 8, k is equal to 4. So next second bit is 8, 1, k minus 4 and 2 minus 5. This is x1, y1, This is x2 y2. This is x3 y3. Same formula I am using. Area of triangle. Half into, now x1 into y2 minus y3. What is x1 here? x1 is 8 into y2 minus y3 minus 4 minus half minus 5 plus 5 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. x2 is k into y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus 1. Okay, now last one is x3 into, x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 is 1 minus half minus 4 plus 4. This is equal to 0 since they are collinear. So now 2 will go that side, it is 0, but I am writing it, afterwards will remove. 8, 5 minus 4, 1. 8 plus minus 6k plus 2 into 5, 10. So minus 6k is equal, minus 6k plus 18 is equal to 0. 6k is equal to, minus 6k is minus 18, 6k is 18, k is equal to 3. So 2 bits I have done, third bit I'll do it. So can you all see the same formula you have to use and you have to equate with 0. Then you will get the value of k. K is equal to 3. Now we'll do the third bit. Writing the formula again. Area of the triangle is x1 into y3 minus y1 plus, sorry, y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, half into modulus of x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x1 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. And third bit coordinates he has given as kk, first bit, third bit kk 2 3 4 minus 1. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Right? Now area of the triangle is x1. What is x1? K into half into modulus of k into y2 minus y3, 3 minus of 1 plus 1 plus x2 is 2 into y3 minus y1 minus 1 minus k plus x3 is 4 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 is, y1 is k minus 3. That is half into, this is equal to 0. Half into k 4k. This is 3 plus 1, 4k, plus, minus 2, minus k, 2k, plus 4k, minus 12 is equal to 0. So, half into 4k, 8k, minus 2k is 6k. Minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. So, is equal to 0. 6k is equal to 14. K is equal to 14 by 6. That is equal to 7 by 3. So, this is the third bit. Same formula. You equate with area of the triangle formula, use it. Equate it with 0 and you can get the value of k. So, all the 3 bits are finished and we will do third problem in the next video.